Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar Raya. In this video I will do some more proof relating to trigonometry. In my previous video I had taught a basic or easy type of proof, but now I am going to teach you a little bit advanced proof. Before starting this video, I would like to thank all the people who had already subscribed my channel. At the same time, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you would not miss my upcoming videos. Now without any delay, let's start our topic. Let's do question number A. I've just copied this question. Now this question we will start from LHS. So I'm just taking LHS. So LHS is x cos A plus y sin A whole square plus x sin A minus y cos A whole square. So if you just suppose this as A and this one as B, so you can use the formula of A plus B whole square. So the formula of A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So instead of A I will write x cos A, and instead of B I will write y sin A. So here also instead of A I will write x cos A, and instead of B I will write y sin A. Similarly x sin A minus y cos A whole square can be written in the form of A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A means x sin A, and B means y cos A, so y cos A whole square, and here A means x sin A and B means y cos A. Now x cos A whole square can be written as x square cos square A plus 2 times x cos A times y sin A can be written as, so 2 into x into y becomes 2xy dot cos A into sin A can be written as cos A dot sin A. So 2 times x cos A times y sin A equals to 2xy cos A sin A plus y sin A whole square can be written as y square sin square A. So x sin A whole square can be written as x square sin square A minus, now 2 times x sin A times y cos A can be written as 2xy cos A into sin A can be written as cos A dot sin A, and then y cos A whole square equals to y square cos square A. Now we can see 2xy cos A sin A, here also 2xy cos A sin A, but here is positive sign and its sign is negative, so you can cancel this and this. Now x square cos square A and x square sin square A write in one place. So x square cos square A plus x square sin square A plus y square sin square A and y square cos square A in the same place. So one next to another you can write y square sin square A plus y square cos square A. Now you can say x square, here also x square, so in both the cases you can take x square common. So if you take x square common, here will be cos square A plus sin square A. Similarly in these two terms, y square sin square A and y square cos square A, you can take y square common. Now here remains sin square A plus here remains cos square A. We know the formula that cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So instead of cos square A plus sin square A, we can write here 1. If you don't know the formula, please you can see my previous videos. In the description I have provided my link of the formula. So y square, similarly sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Now x square into 1 is equal to x square, and y square into 1 is y square. So x square plus y square is our answer. So x square plus y square equal to RHS. So we just proved this question. So x square plus y square, which is equal to RHS, proved. Now let's do another question. So second question, you can see 1 minus sin a minus cos a whole square equals to 2 times 1 minus sin a times 1 minus cos a. Here also I will take LHS. Now 1 minus LHS, LHS is 1 minus sin a minus cos a whole square. So here is 3 terms, 1 sin a and cos a. So if you just take 1 minus sin a as a and cos a as b, so it can be written in the form of a minus b whole square. So if you just suppose this as a and this one as b, so here is in the middle, here is minus, so a minus b whole square. So formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now instead of a I will write here 1 minus sin a, and instead of b I will write here cos a. So here also instead of a I will write 1 minus sin a, instead of b I will write cos a. Now again what you can do is you can change this, you can apply the formula of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus, now this 2 times 1 minus sin a times cos a can be written as 2 times cos a is 2 cos a and 1 minus sin a in the bracket. So 2 into cos a, 2 cos a times 1 minus sin a plus cos a whole square is cos square a. Now instead of 1 minus sin a whole square, so instead of a I have to write 1, instead of b I have to write here sin a. So here also instead of a 1, instead of b sin a. Now 1 square can be written as 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2, 2 into sin a is 2 sin a plus sin a whole square is sin square a minus 2 cos a into 1 will be minus 2 cos a, and minus 2 cos a times minus sin a, so minus minus will be plus, 2 cos a into sin a will be 2 cos a dot sin a, and here plus cos square a. So now this one, then sin square a and cos square a, let's write in one place, and then minus 2 sin a, then minus 2 cos a, and then plus 2 cos a dot sin a. Now instead of sin square a plus cos square a I can write here 1, and what remains minus 2 sin a minus 2 cos a plus 2 cos a dot sin a. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 minus 2 sin a minus 2 cos a plus 2 cos a dot sin a, and then here also 2 in every terms there is 2, there is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, so you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, here remains 1 minus sin a minus cos a plus cos a dot sin a. Now 2, So instead of 1 and sine a, in 1 and sine a, you cannot take anything common, so you can just take 1 common. If you take 1 common, here will be 1 minus sine a, and in between cos a and cos a dot sine a, you can take minus cos a common. So if you take minus cos a common, here remains 1, nothing means 1. So since outside sign is minus, so this plus will be become minus. So if there is minus sign, you have to change this sign, plus become minus, and you just took the cos a common, so here remains sin a. So this 1 minus sin a and 1 minus sin a is same, so 1 minus sin a in one bracket, and what remains 1 and minus cos a, so whatever remains in the next bracket. So now 2 times 1 minus sin a, 1 minus cos a. So this is our answer RHS. So this one and this one is same, so which is equal to RHS proved. For today only this much. If you like my video, please like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.